Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I am continuing congruency of triangle. Earlier, I have explained the congruent figure or similar figure. Congruent figures are those figures they will be equal in shape and size. So, area of congruent figures will be equal. Some figures are equal in area wise but different shape and size, so they will not congruent figure like circle, square, etc. Today I am starting to give information of congruency of triangle. Two triangles having the same vertex lie, and supposing two congruent triangle, the sides and angle which match one another or coincide are called corresponding parts. The corresponding part of triangles are such like this. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, the vertex A correspond to D, vertex B correspond to E, and vertex C correspond to F. Side AB equal to D, side BC is equal to EF, and side AC is equal to FD. And angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So earlier I have told you the triangle has 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. So if we need to congruent to triangle, we have just compare their sides and angle, not vertex. So one triangle ABC is coincide with triangle DEF like this. ABC overlapping by triangle DEF. 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 So these two triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. This is a symbol of congruency. The two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides or corresponding angles be equal. So we can conclude that the corresponding sides are equal in congruent triangle, corresponding angles are equal in congruent triangle, and the corresponding vertices match exactly with each other. These vertices match exactly each other. There are 3 pair of corresponding side, 3 pair of three pair of corresponding side, these three sides, three pair of sides, and three pair of corresponding angles, and three pair of matching vertices in two congruent triangles. And CPCTE stand for corresponding parts of congruent triangle are congruent or equal. Means if any three part, these three angle and three sides, these are called corresponding parts. AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF, or angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle F is equal to angle F. So student, I hope you will understand the congruency rule of triangle and CP, the full form of CPCTC. So student, here is an example. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 2 cm, BC is equal to 3 cm, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. D in triangle DEF, D is equal to 2 cm, EF is equal to 3 cm, and angle E is equal to 90 degree. So how we compare for congruent of two triangle? In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, just compare. AB is equal to DE. Why? Each 2 cm. Angle B is equal to angle E. Why? Each 90 degree. That's why both angles are equal. And BC is equal to EF. Why? Because each 3 cm. So there are three elements which compare for congruency of triangle. Therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by some rule of congruency like side, angle, side, because this is side, this is angle, and this is side. So remaining part like angle A is equal to angle D, we equal by CPCT. CPCT stand for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent or equal. In place of C, you can mention E. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent or equal. You can note down CPCTC or CPCTE. So student, I hope you will understand the congruency rule of triangles. If you will face some difficulty, we will discuss in our live classes as well. Thank you.